Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we've got an unboxing for Glossybox, and my hair is just got a mind of its own. It's like going really wiry and crazy and all of that things, and yeah, so I just thought I would show you my Glossybox this month. This month is like, they've got one item in there that I'm so looking forward to getting because it's like an £85 item. And this is the June edit, and it's the Soiree, have I said it correctly? Soiree, or something like that. Soiree? Well, it is the June edit, it's the summer edit, and it's supposed to get you like in the mood for summer and all of those nice things. So let's just get into it because I really want to get into this box. I've heard a few bad comments on about Glossybox this month, particularly that they don't do a questionnaire, and I really wish they would. It's for people of colour. I think that they really need to do that. I mean, it's not rocket science, is it? That you have a beauty box, and when you are selling that beauty box, you should actually do a questionnaire, and that is what I wish that they would do. Other beauty boxes do it, so why can't Glossybox do it? They should do it. Birchbox does it. I think that there's a few other boxes do it, and it's just a matter of just ticking your criteria, and that's it. And there we go. Right, so I've just took off the big cardboard box. I already had it open, but I've not been into this box, and I haven't seen anybody's reviews on this box at all. But it says we got free contact lenses if you really want to. I don't wear them, but I know people that do, so there we go. And it's by Vision Direct. And is there a trial box? Because you do like these coupons. Get your free trial box by Everclear trial box. Right, and also I will put a timestamp as well if you don't want to listen to me blabbering on the beginning. I will put a timestamp in the description box down below, which will, get you straight to the unboxing. Right, so Glossybox is £10 a month, and it's this is the UK Glossybox, and you pay £3.25 postage and packaging. You can take it out over 6 months or 12 months. I've signed up for the 12 months one, which brings it down to £8, and then £3.25 postage and packaging. All in all, it costs me £11.25 a month. Right, so this is it, and it comes like this, and it's the back to the basic pink and black. It's like a really nice, I think that's a really subtle coloured box. So there we go. It really is. And so we're just going to open it up like so, if it's going to open for me. And the inside of the Glossybox is just that colour. It's really the same box. So, right. So this is the card, and we have got it there. So it says, "Dear Glossies, you're invited to our summer soiree." And it says, "Open to discover the beauty treats you need to get ready for your special occasion." Oh, love from Glossybox. That is a pretty card. Right, so it's got a sneak peek on here for July. Oh, I'm interested in this. This is what I am interested in because I love hair products. And it says, "Whenever you're jetting off on your jollies or embracing the British sun, we got it all. Our holiday essentials covered, starting with our incredible multi-purpose Moroccan oil treatment. You can use it as a conditioning, styling, finishing tool, saving you space in your suitcase while rescuing sun-damaged hair." Well, I do have damaged hair, and I really like to look after my hair, so I'm interested to get that in July. That is what I'm interested in. It's just going on about a few of their other boxes. You can get glossy credits as well. So if you do like your reviews on the products, you just go onto the webpage and you can earn glossy credits. And they also have a glossy lounge, which is quite an exciting thing where you can go and have a look on the webpage and you get into the Glossy Lounge, so it's pretty good. Right, so let's just get into the box. Now then, we've gone on about the card, so let's just see what we've got in this month's box. Oh, and I've just dropped my card. Right, so we're going to open it like so. I'm just going to look away because I don't want to see it. Well, there we go. You're seeing it. Right, so now I'm just going to get my card again. Alright, and as I pull out the items, we will have a look. Right, so I am just going to pull out this item. Oh, what is it? It's a Sleek Face Foam Contouring Blush Palette. I got mine in the shade Light. So there we go. Let's just see what it says about this. So this is the Sleek Face Foam Contouring Palette. Whether you receive the fair, the light palette, you'll look on point for every occasion. Thanks to those 3-in-1 contour highlighter and blush face definition kits. Start by sculpting your cheekbones using the matte contour powder, then apply the blush to give your cheeks a rosy flush. Before blending and softening the look with a sweep of highlighter, you can take the palette out with you and touch up necessary. This is RRP price, which is £9.99. So okay, and it's in the shade Light, which is 373. We'll have a look at that later. So then the next item is, oh, my favourite item is in here. We've got a Model Co. Model Co is the lip cream, and it's in matte and it's peachy nude. So we have got this. It just says, this is a luscious lip cream in peachy nude. Is the perfect way to finish off going out look. Created by the iconic Australian beauty brand Model Co. I did not know they were Australian. I thought they were American. But it boasts a long-lasting and highly pigmented colette that will instantly give you a rich matte coverage. Simply sweep it across your lips and allow it to dry for 60 seconds. Then pop lippy into your handbag and reapply as required. You'll look fabulous. So this is a £15 full-sized item. That's amazing. Did I get it right? You guys see it? Wow, so we got, that's £25 up to now. That's really amazing, this box. Right, okay, and then we have got a Maya eyeshadow. Oh, that looks really nice. So this is a Chubby Sticks eyeshadow by Maya. This is a full-sized item. It says, create the perfect eye look for your special occasion with this highly pigmented gold eyeshadow pencil. Boasting a rich and creamy formula, it glides on effortlessly. Use it alone to create a bold look. Right, okay, so that is that, and that's a full-sized item. That is £12.99. So there we go. And then we have got, I'll show you my favourite item at the end because it's a really good one. So then we got the, what is it? This is an unwinded, I know it's hair thing because it's a husk, and husk is a really good item. But this is a Shine Nourish conditioner. It is infused with wine, apple, watermelon extracts. Did not know the wine was good for you. Sorry if you can hear my chair. Right, non-tipsy formula. Wow, so that'll be interesting. Hopefully it does something for my hair. But yeah, I'm interested in that. It's like really got me going. Just because it's wine with your hair. I thought you would enjoy a nice glass of wine and not put it in your hair. Maybe I'm wrong about that. So let me know in the comments if you know of anything with wine and hair. And yeah, wow. So this is Unwinded Deep Conditioner. Unwinded Deep Conditioner. Right. Well, we might get the answer to that here. So, why Unwinded Deep Conditioner, we're also treating you to one of these 3 deeply conditioning wine-based hair masks that perfectly prep your locks for any style while helping you unwind. This nourishes your hair and adds shine. It's yeah, and it's like a 5-minute hair mask, which is £3.99 in Superdrug. Never seen that, and I usually shop in Superdrug quite a lot, but never seen that. Right, so okay, so then the next item what we're going to go on about is the star of the box. This is £85, and this is the full-sized item? Pro Perfecting Collagen Touch Primer. Oh wow. You loved Advanced Night Cream so much that we brought to you this incredible high-end primer. Silky, lightweight, universal, it mattifies and softens your complexion while also reducing fine lines and wrinkles. Apply a pea-sized amount to the center of your face and blend outwards. It will perfectly prep your skin for a flawless makeup application before the big event, helping you look and last even longer. Oh, right. Are we out of focus there? Right, so that is that. Now we're just going to go on. Have a look at this. I'll show you this. This is the Maya eyeshadow. And just pull straight out. So we will. I'll look just to show you it on there. Right, it's not going to show up. So let's just try it on my eyelid. And has it done anything? I don't think it's actually showing up. It's not really doing a great lot, so that's not really what I like. I like to see a wow item. Right, so then this is the Model Pearl. I should have actually showed the box before I start. Looks like a pretty item, and I'm just going to apply it. It is quite nice, actually. So there it is. It comes in this nice compact case, which is just perfect just for slipping in your handbag. Which I do like that. And yeah, so is it going to be troublesome for me to open? No. But they are really like my type of colour, so they're going to suit probably a person like me. I don't know what I'm going to go with. I'll go with this one, the shimmery one. Now I will just probably pop that there. But first of all, I'm going to try it on my arm. Is it actually going to show up? Yeah, it is. Try it on the top of my eyelids. This is like, oh wow, that is a really nice highlighter. I like that. I can say I definitely do like that highlighter, but for a person of colour, this is not really what they would want. Now I'm just going to try the blush, and that is really, really pigmented. I do like that blush as well. It really, really is nice. So now I'm just going to try the contour one, which is this one. Oh, it really is nice. I'll do one for the blush if I have room. So there is the blush one, but let's try the contour one. Chisel those bones is what you do with contour, and let's just try it underneath there. It's probably not going to work because I don't have a brush at hand, and let's just see what I'm actually doing. I like that highlighter. That highlighter one is really, really good. And I did highlight my eyes. Right, so we're all highlighted up. And so, Right, honest verdict on this box. I actually love it and I'm going to give it a thumbs up. Right, also this is a good item. Didn't really try the Advent, did I? So let's just have a look at this as well. This is the Advent one and this is a primer. Oh, it's like really straight to work. I can see why that is a primer. It's really good. I do like it. So there we go. There is another item I like. I like this. This. Oh yeah. I'm not so keen on this eyeshadow. Right, so if you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up, like, share, please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all in my next unboxing. Bye!